Hello YouTubers and YouTubies. Today we're working on the 2002 Malibu. We're going to be changing out a door panel. Driver's side, somebody had their way with it. So first things first, I'm going to pull off this little piece of plastic here. Just pops off. And you got two, you want to pop, there's usually a cover here, but it's not here. You want to pop out the cover, and then you have two 7mm screws to take out. And then you're going to want to pry this up. And obviously this one, somebody's already done that with, or broke it, or whatever. So I got a new one too to replace that, but it looks like there's a clip in the front that if you get a screwdriver in there, you can depress it and pull it out. You also have a Phillips screwdriver right behind the door handle there. I'm going to take that out next. With that screw out, you can pry this out. It's supposed to have a clip here in the front, pop out, and then slides forward a little bit to come off on the back, but somebody already broke this one. Luckily on my replacement door panel, I have this cover too. So then you want to disconnect your power lock and disconnect your power window switches and all that. Let's get that done. With all that disconnected there, you want to pull out on the bottom of the door here. Helps if you can pry out a little bit. As you're pulling out, this is what you're trying to loosen, as these little push clips go in to the door. And then after you pry it out all the way around on the bottom, it should just lift straight up off the window track like that. See, you lift straight up on there, it comes out. To put the new one in, you want to hang it on the top first and then snap in the bottom. New one hangs in this lip up here. Hang it in and then just kind of tap it all the way around. Make sure your holes are lined up. Again, this is what you're trying to line up, is these pins. They go all the way around the door. And this is what your handle is supposed to look like. What you're trying to get at is a push clip here, and then everything else just hooks on the back end of it. So put it back together in the reverse order. These plugs for the window switches and power mirrors are all keyed. They have these slots on them, so they can only go in one way and only in one socket. So, and these are the little clips you're trying to peel out. So you plug it back in, stick it back in there, put your screw back in here, and test everything, and you're all set. Thank you for checking out another one of my videos, and I hope you have a great day.